WilcomWorkspace can be your online embroidery companion. Workspace will always be current with the latest release of Embroidery Studio for the workroom, front office, salespeople on the road, or even your customers. To convert your embroidery files, sign into your account and open a file from any drive you have access to, including synchronized web-based folders. You may open a file from the dashboard or go directly to the studio. Notice you are able to open from a variety of file types. In another video, we looked at resizing and coloring a design. Now we simply want to convert the file ready for our embroidery machine. Select the convert icon and create a name, then select the file type you require. Remember, this is a web-based application, so you will need to download and save the file. This will normally default to your Downloads folder. Using your file browser, copy it or move it to your design folders. Or you may simply wish to download the native EMB file. Follow the same procedure to name it and download.